committed to global leadership in special printing and materials.
Connect the printer and your computer with USB cable and open the driver folder. Execute Driver Wizard. Select Other into Selection menu. Scroll and find barcode printer LPX3305. For the port, we usually select the largest USB number. In this case, we use USB 002. Select Share if you need to share the printer with local networks. Now the driver has installed. So how to configure the parameters? Open System Setting and find Bluetooth and Devices. Open Printer and Scanners. Select the printer preferences. Now let's see what we can adjust with this panel. Usually we remain graphic format unchanged. These are professional settings. Here's a guideline for experts. For dithering, we suggest use none. At Page Setup column, there is the option for editing media size. Make sure it matches your real media size. Please input width and length of the label. Now your stock has saved and ready to use. For orientation, it will change the way your picture comes out. You can see the result at Preview section. We suggest you remain portrait orientation. If you are used thermal transfer ribbon TTR, please change the method to thermal transfer instead of direct thermal. Also, please select type according to the figure. Post-print action determines the behavior of the cutter only available for FX3305C. You can decide occurrence timing according to your need. Feed offset means the length add up after printing. You can also manually change darkness by unselect the Use Current Printer settings. Slower print speed ensures better printing quality. For different bases TTR wax or resin, the darkness need to be changed, as the amount of heat for each type of ribbon is different. It's recommended that you keep record of parameters while performing printing test. Now you learned how to configure FX3305. Please move on to the next part.